How to download Minecraft Launcher on your PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily download the Minecraft Launcher on your PC. But before we begin, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The very first thing you're going to have to do is open up any web browser on your PC and then simply search for Minecraft Download. And once you do that, you can just hit enter. Now click on the first link that you see right here, minecraft.net. And here you'll see an option to download the launcher for Windows 10 or 11. Now click on it and it will download the exe file on your PC right here. Click on this and then open up the exe file and it will help you download the launcher on your device. So click on I've read and accepted terms and services and then click on install. Now as you can see here, the Minecraft launcher is installing, and from here you can just if you are having trouble with the Microsoft Store, you could just click on try again, or you could just download it directly from your Microsoft Store as well. And once it says the install is to begin and it starts to download, then you just have to wait for a bit to download it completely and you should be good to go. So that's how you download Minecraft Launcher on your PC. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.